Hello from Taj Medics. I've got a Toyota Yaris here on a 2013-14 plate, just changing the main dip bolt. I'm going to show you how it's done. On this one, it is quite an easy procedure basically. So it's that plug right there. So all you do, pull the plug out, take the cover out. Once you take the cover out, then you've got that little spring right at the bottom there. So if you push the spring in to your left and then pull it out towards you, now you just got to remember how you take the bulb out. So you've got 2 pin locators on the bottom and 1 on the top. So if I take this out, basically this is how it goes. So I'm going to grab a new one. It is a H4 bulb. You'll find a link for it in the description. So if you did want one, you know where to get it from. And never hold the lens, otherwise the lifespan of the bulb reduces. So bulb in. Now for any reason you fit the bulb in correctly, what will happen is your beam image would be quite bad and you'll be blinding people basically. So that's the last thing you want to do. So that's in, plug on. We'll just check the lights. Can we just check the lights please? That's lovely, that's all working. Alright, that's all it was on this Toyota. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.